you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to the CARRABEAN.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. I want to get that, I think, huh?
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta get up fast so transport can make the jump.
Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake it, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw a line.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us.
I'll get some friends and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention! This ship is now under the command of the First Order. Get out and proceed down the corridor for interrogation.
Squadrons in Man's 4 and 7 report to deck officer for assignment.
Program to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoner. You're breaching infantry block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detection was enabled.
engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence. Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is the word of the
Cannot escape. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scat for his pod, people.
More escape pods down in section.
Hooray. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls.
Welcome, dancers, welcome. Come. Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces. It's so magic to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
did too. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
People. No, the actual people. Actually, people all on a boat together. Look at the ground. Oh, that's not good. Oh, it's a crab. See, that is the most scary if I film it, then I know I have. What a cutie! Puppies!
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty hens? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Belay there, you bilge rat.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentleman won't go round.
The treasure without a look at this here man. It's the key to the treasure. Easy. Here I be, holding the treasure map, and the key is right. The seal and